Kain tayo. Sige. Saan tayo, guys? Okay, guys. Mag-uupo tayo. Nagugutom tayo kasi, guys. Ay, dito.
You sit here.
So, guys. Dito na tayo.
Darling, you have to go with them. Let's go get food na. You stay here. Darling, let's go get later. Ayun, ano dyan? You want to go? Si Papa na. Say bye. Sige.
Bye.
Baba, Pupi.
For the bye.
Ganyan lang yan.